Alright, so this is Angel right here, and this is our new IRobot Roomba that we just got, and we're not quite sure what Angel is going to do when we turn on the Roomba. So, get the old remote, hit the clean button in the center. Oh. And here it comes. Oh, what's that, Angel? What's that? Angel, come here. What's that over there? What is that? What is that? Well, what is it? Get it! What do you think, Angel? What do you think? What do you think? What do you think, Angel? What do you think? Well, what do you think? Huh? Sit. Angel, sit. 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 All right, good girl. IRobot Roomba. Pretty cool. See how it works. Say goodbye, Angel. Say goodbye, Angel.